Alrighty, you people, we have our geometry. We are doing this again, and the title of this one's going to be More Practice with Transformations. Or More Practice with Translations, I'm sorry.
This is 41.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. There's the title, More Practice with Translations. So let's go through and I'm going to talk about what we're doing. So we've done this before and it's going to be like a refresher. That's why I'm doing the whole notes over again. So, but like I said, not everyone was in here first semester when we did this. So if we're looking at it, so let's first find my points for F, U, N. So the coordinate for F is going to be to the right one and down one. So I'm going to call that 1, comma, -1. Where's U going to be? I know, but how do we have to do it? You have to do it X, comma, Y, right?
Yeah.
1, comma, -2. Very good. And what about the N? 2 and -2. Very good. 2, -2. All right. So this says translate 4 units up and 5 units to the left. So what are we doing right here? We did this the other day. We did it I think it was Thursday before break. So what would I do to the X? So if you notice there's a space right here.
4.
+4 or -4? +4 because it's going up. Is that right?
Yeah.
No. No, it's not. Remember, X and Y. So X is here, and, crap. X is here, Y is here. So Y is up and down, X is left and right.
So that's why.
This is the Y, right? So this should be Y +4, shouldn't it?
Yes.
It's going up, so it's Y +4. Now, what are we doing to the X? Left, right? Left is minus, right is positive. So it's,
Is that positive for you?
yes. And this is going to be -5. All right, so we're going to move each one of these points over. So I'm going to do the math on it first, though. All right, this is your X value -5. What is 1 minus 5?
-4.
-4. What is -1 plus 4?
3.
All right, next one. What is 1 minus 5?
-4.
And -2 plus 4?
2.
+2. Are we tracking here? Okay, so again, 2 minus 5
-3.
and -2 plus 4?
2. +2.
+2. Very good. So if I move the whole thing over,
Is that negative or positive?
yeah. So if I move the whole thing over, so it says left 5, up 4. So let's move each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I going to call that? What do I call that? F prime. Very good. F prime. It's right here also, but you guys have to remember what it's called. So F prime. So that, look, is that in the right place? -4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 8. It is. Do the same thing for the U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's U prime. Same thing goes for N. And this is going to be my N prime. Pretty easy, right? So, anyone have questions over that? No? Okay, let's keep going then. Next one says, translate this 4 units down and 6 units right. So, let's do the x's. So, what am I going to do with my x's right here? X what? Minus? Plus? It's to the right, isn't it? To the right, so that's plus. Plus 6. Now y, that's going down. So what am I doing?
Negative.
Minus 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our original points, our pre-image. Put our pre-image here. So P should be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's negative 3 and 4. Q, 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4 up 1. R, negative 2 up 1. All right, let's do the math. Let's do the math now. It says x plus 6. So it's negative 3 plus 6.
9.
Positive 3, right? Positive 3 and 4 minus 4. Now for the q prime, negative 4 plus 6. That's going to be positive 2, right? So positive 2 and 1 minus 4. Yes.
For P, minus 3 times.
Okay, so negative 3.
Oh, that's a negative.
Okay. All right, and R prime. So negative 2 plus 6 is? And 1 minus 4? There we go. So let's put our points where they're supposed to be. So 3, 0. So 1, 2, 3. P prime. 2, negative 3. 1, 2. Q prime. And R prime. Right here. Now, how can I verify that that is correct?
You add 6 and minus 4, so you go add 6.
Do you want to move it on the thing? So we just put the points. Now we can try and move it left and right, can't we? Amart! I know you're not snoozing, right? Okay, good. All right, so let's verify it. 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Right on time, right? So there's 2 ways of doing it. We could move it on the graph, or we could do the math. Let's go to the next one right here. Okay, I want you guys right now to do this one right here, and then I will come back and help you guys with this one. Do this one right now. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. All right, so
Yeah.
this is what we got.
Go through them. Go through them.
Yeah, we just went through it. All right, so
Negative 4, 2, negative 4. Negative 2,
so
5.
this is my new shape right here. Now, serious question. Serious question. This is actually a test question here. What type of transformation is this?
Rigid.
Rigid. Thank you. That's the word. It was actually on that last test too, where if you said the word rigid, you got full points.
I'm learning.
Thank you. Every day we should. All right. So translate this. 3 units left and 5 units up. 3 units left, 5 units up. First, let's find out where it is. So it's going to be 1, 0. This one is 1, 2, 3, 0. C is at 3, negative 2. And D is at 1, negative 2. It says 3 units to the left, so what am I doing?
You're minus 3.
Which one's minus 3?
X.
X minus 3. Very good. And it says
You're adding,
5 units up.
you're adding,
5 units up. What do I put there now?
you're adding the 5.
You're adding.
So what do I write?
Plus five.
Y plus 5. Not plus 1. Plus 5. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to do this first, then do the math. So let's do the left and right first. So 3 units left, 5 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Ah, crap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be my A prime, D prime, C prime, and B prime. There we go. All right, so let's do the math now. All right, so x minus 3, that means I'm going to do 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And
Negative 2.
0 plus 5?
5.
Yes.
That's what
3 minus 3.
0.
And 0 plus 5. So 3 minus 3.
0.
Negative 2 plus 5.
Positive 3.
Positive 3. You guys said it with a question mark, and I'm like really worried. And D prime, let's see. So that's going to be 1 minus 3
Negative 2.
and negative 2 plus 5.
Positive 3.
There we go.
Appreciate
Faux show. All right. Let's take a look at this. Translate. So we got a bunch of stuff right here. This one says move the whole thing 1 unit down. Okay. Graph the image of the figure using the transformation given. So you're going to have those. This right here, find the vertices. So find your new points. This right here on the bottom, you're just finding the new points. So you're going to say on this one it would be G prime. So I know you guys are paying attention right now. So G prime, I'm going to go x plus 4, so it's negative 2 plus 4. 2 and 1 minus 1.
0.
There you go. So you have to do that for each one of those. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let me show you the slight issue on this one. Okay, it's going to happen here also, but there's y, and there's nothing to the y. So what do? You don't change the y. The y stays the same. You just slide the whole thing left or right on here. This one, the x stays the same, so it just slides it up and down. All right, make sense? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe.